See, the next we discussing about the topic is operant depth. Operant depth. Here the two conditions are there. See, that is the first condition. Say the case one. Object in denser medium. Object in denser medium and observer in rarer medium. Observer in rarer medium. And the second condition, there is a second case. Object in rarer medium. Object in rarer medium and observer in denser medium. Observer in denser medium. See, that is the two cases are there. Now individual we can discussing by there. The first one, what is the object in denser medium and observer in rarer medium. Let us consider two mediums. Two medium, the separation of a surface. Two mediums, separation of a surface. Now this is considered the denser medium. This is considered the denser medium. Denser medium. Now it is considered the rarer medium. Rarer medium. See, one is considered the denser medium, another one considered the rarer medium. This is the two mediums of separation of a surface. Two mediums separation of a surface. Now the object is placed in a denser medium. Now take here the object is placed in a denser medium. See, here it can be placed by the denser medium. See, this is the object. Is denoted by the letter is O. Now is the depth, is the distance from the surface, two mediums of separation of surface to object having the distance is there x. How much of the distance is there? The x. Now when a ray light is passing through any object, where we can passing through the object. Now the first, the light is exactly the straight to instant at a point on a two mediums of separation of a surface. This is the light can. Now here the sum of the part of the light can be refracted. The sum of the light can be reflected. Now that reflected light is back into the opposite direction, but the refracted light is passing away from this is the direction. So this is the refracted ray. That means it can be bending to traveling one medium to another medium is called as the refracted ray. Refracted ray. Now this point we consider D. This A to D is called the refracted ray and this O to A is called as the incident ray. And now this is same light, the bending to travel means some angle to travel instant on a another point. See, that is the B point. Where we can say the B point is the meter the two mediums of separation of a surface. Two mediums of separation of a surface. Now this will be the normal. What is this? Normal. Now after that, this refracted ray also the bending to travel. The refracted ray also bending to travel. This is the direction. Now this is the point is the C. The BC is called as the refracted ray. Now this angle is considered the I. This angle how much is considered by the I. Now this angle is called as the R, refracted of angle. Now this the BC is the refracted ray and AD also refracted ray. Now this refracted, the both of the refracted ray is the backward we can be extending. The backward is nothing but this is the backward we can extend. So this is the extending of the backward of a refracted ray of BC. And at the same time, this is also refracted ray AD and this is also backward we can extend it. The both are meet at the one point. See, this point we are is considering in a I. It is nothing but a image. I is nothing but a image. The which of the image? This object of the image. Object of the image is denoted by the I. Now this angle is called as the angle of, here the perpendicular to each other. This angle is considered the angle of incidency. What is considered this an angle of incidency? At the same time, this is called as the angle of refraction is denoted by the R. Angle of reflection is denoted by the R. But actually, where is there the object? The object is there. This is the position at the O point. But this image where we can be formed by the here. That's the I point for this image can be formed. We can see here where is there, we are there in rarer medium. For example, we are there, this is the position rarer medium. Now look at into this water or denser medium. But this object of image where we can formed by there, this is the position where it can be formed by there. Now according to from triangle, from triangle AIB, from triangle AIB. See right here this is the triangle we can draw. Now the where is the perpendicular, that point is A, the remaining is the B, the which is the angle is there, the how much of the angle is there, angle of incidence is the I. See that point you can show the I. See now we can apply here the sine theta, that is the sine theta is approximately is equal to the tan theta, but theta replaced by what is the angle is there, I. This is the sine I approximately is equal to tan I, that is equal to, what is the principle for the tan theta? Opposite by adjacent side. See the opposite is nothing but AB by adjacent is nothing but AI. A into I. This is considered the equation number 1. So next triangle that is taken by the AOB, from triangle AOB. Now observing this is the triangle. See this is the A point where is the perpendicular, and this is the angle is R, that point is considered the O, and remaining is the B point. Again here say the sine theta is approximately is equal to the tan theta. The sine is angle how much is there, R, is equal to tan R, nothing but the angle of refraction and angle of incidence is equal to, again we can apply this is the tan, opposite by adjacent side, opposite is AB by adjacent is nothing but AO. Now this is considered the equation number 2. From equation 1 divided by equation number 2. So now equation 1 divided by equation number 2. Equation 1 what is there here, the sine I by sine R is equal to, sine I by sine R is equal to, what is the formula there, AB by AI divided by AB by AO. Now we are observing here the AB and AB gets cancelled. Now the denominator of the denominator take the numerator, that is the AO by AI, that is equal to sine I by sine R. The sine I by sine R from Snell's law, what is the formula is there, sine I by sine R is equal to refractive index nu. Refractive index is the nu. Then we can write here this total value, the refractive index nu is equal to AO by AI. Now here the A2O distance how much is there here, the X. A2O distance is there, the X. And the next we have the distance of, okay, the distance of what we can find out here, the A2I. So this is the A2I. The A2I is nothing but that is called the apparent depth. So then the cross multiplication, that is AI is equal to AO by nu. See the A2I distance is called as the apparent depth, that is denoted by the A2I is equal to AO. A2O distance how much is there here, the X by nu. Since we can write the A2O is equal to X from diagram. This is the apparent depth, or also is called the apparent distance. Next we can find out the apparent shift. Apparent shift is nothing but object where is there, actually is the O point. This is the sum is the length will be increasing. ఎక్కడ పడుతుందో మనకి ఇమేజ్ అనేది ఇక్కడ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది, అంటే ఇది కొద్దిగా షిఫ్ట్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి ఇట్స్ ద డిస్టెన్స్, దట్స్ ద I2O is the distance is called as the apparent shift. What is called this? I2O is called apparent shift. Now we can find out this formula. See right here, therefore operant shift. What is the distance? Is there is an I to O is equal to the total distance to negligible of this distance. Then the how much of the shifted by this image. Then there is a total distance. How much is there is an A to O minus what is again A into I. The A into I is nothing. What is called is an operant depth. Then we can have the operant shift to AO is equal to IO is equal to A to O. A to O, how much is there? Distance is there? X minus this is the value is there x by nu. Then x will be take the common 1 minus 1 by nu, that is equal to operant shift. I to O is equal to is called as the operant shift. That is the formula for the x into 1 minus 1 by nu. Then A to I is called, what is called is the other operant depth. See, this is the A to I is called the operant depth, and I to O is called the operant shift. Now this have the two formulas of a operant depth when the object in a denser medium and observer in a rarer medium.